All right, we're here at the 2024 Florida RV Supershow, and we're doing another RV tour, and this one's going to be the Columbus River Ranch. One of our subscribers, Greg, asked us to film this RV for him because he could not make it to the show, so this one's for you, Greg. Yeah, I like this. This is nice. All right, should we start with the outside?
Yeah.
There you go. Here's your big bay for your generator or batteries and all that kind of stuff, or you could use it for storage. Then you got storage on this side as well. Propane tanks here. Let's see what the old basement storage looks like on here. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Wow.
I mean, wow. There's lots of storage in here. This is great.
There's way more storage down the thing.
Yeah, so this is one of those unique floor plans where they raise it up, it's all one level, and then you gain all the storage at the bottom. So that's how this works. So here's some more storage.
Or
the theme of this RV is going to be
Nautilus,
storage.
whatever they call it.
Yeah, there's your Nautilus water filter and more storage. And yet even more. Holy moly, look at this. Look at all this. Wow, it's even got a tray, a sliding tray. That would be good for kayaks or paddle boards or whatever. Probably even get some bicycles in there if you laid them down. And then you can access them from both sides, which is really cool. Power cord out the rear.
Wow.
We've got,
Nice.
looks like 2 slide outs on this side. The big, huge MORRIDE tray out the back.
It's huge. It's pretty light to move, but there's nothing in there right now.
Yeah, that's nice. I mean, look at all this storage. Ladder up the back.
Look what it has for your cord.
Oh, does have the cord roller upper thingy. I don't know what the technical term is. But here's all that storage you gain from them making it a one floor. So look at this. Isn't that nice? But here's the unique part when you go up. It's got this extra, so usually most fifth wheels, campers, the floor is right here. Well, this one actually goes up further. So right away, you've got a little closet where you can hang your coats or hoodies or whatever.
Right by the door.
Yeah.
Oh, and no, there's...
Got a control center here. And then looks like, we'll go out here first. Here's the bathroom. Nice. That's a nice bathroom. Yep, it's got the bench. Shower, of course.
Lots of storage.
Pretty decent sized sink with some
Lots of storage.
storage. Nice huge medicine cabinet.
Yeah,
Look at that.
that's
Look how deep that is.
Yeah.
That's pretty decent. Not sure about that. You have to put a little rubber bumper there or something.
Yeah.
And then of course a toilet, and then you got more storage over on this side. Look at that. Look how deep that is. Get some light here. Boom. Wow. Pretty good.
Barn door. No, not barn door. It's a slide.
Slider pocket door. Alright, and then is that a closet?
Yeah.
Yep. More storage. Look at all that storage. Wow.
It's got the two-tone wood. Like the brown doors and the
And look at all the mirrors too.
Yeah, that is nice. Oh, this is cool. That is nice.
Oh, one of these pop-up charging stations and outlets.
Fireplace
in the bedroom. Nice. Got a nice big TV in the bedroom. Looks like a smart TV. You've got your, looks to be a king-size bed. And then this is actually a barn door here for the bedroom, so that's kind of cool.
Washer dryer.
Washer dryer hookups
This
or
is nice.
closet.
It's already got a. So if you
already
had
got
the
the
combo
rack.
like we have, you actually can keep that.
Yeah, and what's kind of neat is there's a little opening here, I guess, to access the main part of the closet. So that's cool.
Yep.
Got your shelves on either side of the bed, plus you got shelves up top. And I don't see any charging stations up there though, so that could be a bit of a problem if you're using the shelf to charge your phone or a CPAP or something like that. There's a plug there, but I don't see any actually like USB ports, unless they're underneath that. Is that it?
No.
No?
No, I don't see anything.
Yeah, so that might be something that they would have to address. Got some storage up here. And then look, 2 more of them. So you got a lot of storage here in the bedroom. I like the railing they got for coming up the stairs. And you got your dinette set here. So 2 chairs, your dinette set. And then you got your kitchen island. Alright, so here's the living space. You got your TV, you got a fireplace, you got some storage up here. Nice deep storage there. Got your couch, and then you've got your love seat recliner chairs over there.
Oh,
Nice windows everywhere.
Another fireplace too.
Yeah, so 2 fireplaces. That's pretty nice. Got some more storage up here.
These lights are cool. Oh, they got the 2 blinds.
They got the daytime and nighttime shades. Yep. Looks like a big 4-burner Insignia oven stove. That's cool. Microwave.
They're all in the microwave.
Oh, and then a nice island.
Yeah, nice.
Alright, got a nice fridge there too. Look at that. Nice big fridge too.
It is nice
Got a residential fridge.
It's the North
Got a
Pole,
freezer.
so I don't know, is it?
Yeah, big old freezer there. Nice. Now I'm guessing that is going to be the food
I'm guessing
pantry.
it has an ice maker. There's the ice
Yeah,
maker.
so it's a residential fridge. Let's see what this food pantry looks like. Oh, look how big that thing is.
Nice.
Dang, it's huge. I don't see any lights though.
No
So
lights.
I'm using my light off the camera, but there doesn't appear to be any lights. So that'd be a simple fix. You could put a little, one of those little pop-up lights here, or whatever. And then you got some drawers too.
Yeah.
And then you got more storage underneath the sink. Oh, look at that. It's a
Trash.
double trash can. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's got
And it's
the
opposite wood. Yeah, it's dark on this side and it's lighter on this side. I
Yeah.
like that.
got more drawers here. Got your silverware drawer. Oh, these are the soft close drawers. Look at that.
Oh, I like how this already, you don't have to worry about buying a thing. It's
Yeah.
built in. That's nice. Stove.
Cool. All right. Overall, it's a very nice RV, but you can see the difference, how it's all one level.
Yeah.
Instead of, going upstairs into your bedroom portion or the front portion of the RV, it's all one level, and then you gain all that storage at the bottom of the RV. That's kind of cool. It's the bottom of the stairs. There's a little spot to put your shoes and stuff, too.
See what it
So,
looks. That's cool. I
that's
missed
pretty
that.
So 4 total slide outs, and then you've got 1 giant awning on this side.
Oh yeah, just the one.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video tour of the Columbus River Ranch. So stick around for more tours for the 2024 Florida RV Supershow.